This is my fully 3D printed Disney monorail. But before we find out if it works, let me tell you how it got here. So when I was a kid, I always wanted a toy monorail, and I saw it at the parks, but my parents never got it for me. So now that I'm still a kid, I decided, hey, I can actually build one. So this is where the idea got started. The first thing I had to do was figure out how monorails actually worked. Then the second challenge came when I actually had to figure out how to build one. This is definitely one of the most complex designs I ever worked on, but I decided to do it anyways. So at this point I came across two problems. The first one was that with a straight body, it couldn't make the turns, and I already made the radius of the rails as big as I can for the space that I will have. So I let future me figure it out, and I added a joint. I'm gonna have to edit the body itself because it was supposed to be one piece. I'm gonna have to cut it here and add a little bit of a gap here, and we'll figure that out later. Another future me. The other part was that I am already taking a 750 kV and bringing it down 1/3 and then 1/3 again of the speed, and it is still way too fast. So I'm gonna have to design a little hinge right here, a little support for another pulley, and that's hopefully that would be slow enough so it doesn't go out flying and crash. I really cannot believe this, but I think it's done. I think it's time, guys. So now, after officially almost 3 years later, let's find out if it works.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Yeah! Awesome!
Please stand clear of the doors.
Here we go, we're taking off, guys. Ready? Here we go. Woohoo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh! We lost the track, guys. One moment. All right. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Why are we falling? There we go. Come on. Awesome, guys. So there you go, guys. It is much better than what I expected. Some of the tracks did fail a little bit, and it's understandable because it has been 3 years since I started printing them. But it did turn out better than I really expected. It was a lot of fun. Hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you thought. All right, guys, for his final goodbye, because since this has been my nemesis for a very long time, we're going to send it off as fast as it goes. Ready? Hold on. We need to first let the people board. All right, now we close the doors.
Please stand clear of the doors.
One last time.
Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Goodbye. Here we go.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Hang on, guys. Bye-bye. Woo-hoo-hoo! No! There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun in this build. Please let me know down in the comments what you think. Let me know if you have any ideas that you want to watch me build. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next build. Look at the wreckage, guys. It definitely derailed and we lost the track.